Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Pedro Fame. So I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about the Adobe Suite that I went ahead and downloaded for you guys. This is my first time using Adobe. I've never used Adobe before. So this is going to be a true first time seeing it, first time using it. I just downloaded these not too long ago. Definitely gonna go ahead and show you guys each one, and I am going to do dedicated videos on each one of these platforms and letting you guys know if I'm going to keep it. This is just a 7-day trial that I am checking out. Let's go back to this. So this is the Photoshop. Obviously, as you can see, Photoshop 2022. Really cool thing about this is I believe that it is really intuitive. As you can see on the left hand side, I love the fact that there are these controls here, and it does tell you a little bit more about what each one does, and it does show you an example. I am a first time user, so these are super helpful for me to know exactly where things are. And you can see here, you know, if I wanted to just draw it around. And I wonder what it does. I should have looked further. But there's other tools here. The spot healing brush. There's the brush tool, cloning. I think that one's really cool. I copy one image and make it into another one. You can brush this. This one is a brush tool where it can erase and also bring things back. Background eraser. This one is for gradients. That you have blurs, so you have a lot of things here. Text, this is for adding text, and obviously horizontal, vertical, however you like it. There's really cool ways to implement this in my case as a YouTuber, so I'm really interested in finding out how this works, how this goes, like how do people use it. Like I've never used Adobe before, so this is really interesting to me to see how I'm able to incorporate this, and if I'm going to keep it. In this next 7 days, you're going to see 3 or 4 videos made and edited. Probably not all in this week. I'll probably have like 2 or 3 out this week, but I'm definitely ready to try to use this before. I know I've been gone for a little bit of time. Sorry for that. I was dealing with some personal things that had to get put to the forefront, and then also I was kind of burnt out from editing videos, not making them, just editing them. So I really am glad that I'm back, ready to do this thing, ready to grind hard again. And I know we're 1 subscriber away from 100 subscribers, so make sure to please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We are so close to our goal of 100 subscribers, and then from there, let's get to 1,000. At 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $50 to a random person on Cash App. I will look through my subscribers and I will hit one of them up, and I will go ahead and bless them with $50 through their Cash App. All they have to do is be a subscriber, and we hit our 1K goal. So make sure, like I said, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I appreciate you guys so much. We've reached over 30,000 views. We have done so much in the life of this channel. We were almost at 1,000 watch hours. That's tremendous for me. I am super glad, because as you know, once you reach 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 watch hours, you start getting monetized, start getting paid. And once I start doing that, I can do this as a full-time job. And you can bet $50 is going to be the very bare minimum what I'm going to be doing, and I will be increasing that as we reach our goals. Once we then from 1,000, our next goal 5,000. Obviously, I will be giving away $100. I will double it up each time until we reach 1 million. Once we reach 1 million, from there, it'll be probably a cap. But if I do reach 1 million, I will give away $10,000 of my own personal money, and I'll give it away to somebody in person if you guys can get me to that goal. But like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's keep going. Premiere, I'm waiting for, I think Premiere is going to start up now. Yes, as you can see, Adobe Premiere starts up. This is, for me, my favorite to use. Alrighty, so, like I was talking about, Premiere Pro, obviously a lot of companies do use this. This is for big media production companies, like The Heartbeat, which is Kevin Hart's production company, Marvel, people like that, they use Premiere Pro, as it obviously is a tool for movie editing, video editing. There's lots of YouTube creators who use Adobe Premiere as well, especially if you use Microsoft Office. That's the best to use. You can use DaVinci Resolve, but I know not very many people do use DaVinci Resolve. A lot of people don't know what DaVinci Resolve is. That's a big reason why it doesn't ever get used a lot. Same thing with Wondershare and their programs. So this is, I think, this is standard along with Final Cut Pro on Apple's side. So that's the reason why there's a big divide there. And you guys can see here, I'll play the clip. So it doesn't have any sound to it. These are sample videos that were given to me through Premiere Pro. I just used them, put them together. These are the clips that I decided to use from it. Obviously, there's various things that you can do with these. Like I'm gonna add, I can add an angled title here. I can go here, and we're gonna. You can see how it came onto the screen, and how I'm going to edit it, detailing what it is. So I'm just putting out there something that I've seen. So you can see here where it says different world on there, how it goes through there. Details you guys to dig different monuments. These are obviously Latin American cultures, along with some Asian, I believe Filipino cultures as well, if I'm not wrong. Or I could be wrong. I think this stock footage, my entire thing might be it, but let me make 100% sure. Looks like Asian culture there, and then it moves to obviously the Mayans and Aztecs culture. So this is what I'm talking about in terms of really cool video footage editing. I'm going to be using these for all the videos that are going to be coming out for the next 3 or 4 videos. They're all going to be edited in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to do this, see what it's like, detail to you guys in a separate videos for each one of these: Photoshop, Premiere, and After Effects. Why I like them or why I don't, or if I'm going to stick with any of them, if I'm going to use any of them going forward, and what would be my reasoning for using them compared to maybe why somebody else would use them. So these are all things that I'm going to detail to you guys and let you guys know what my thoughts are, why I'm using this, how I'm using it, and how it works compared to my workflow. So I will detail that as well. After Effects is the next one that we're going to go ahead and open up here. As you guys can see, there's a little weird lag kind of with the mouse. I'm going to have to figure that out. So here is Adobe After Effects. As you can see, create composition, organize composition, animate layers, add visual effects. This is for visual effects on your videos. So this is, I'm going to put a video in here and you guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's do this video, add it on here. Typically these you really want to, typically these you clearly want clips to be included in here. You don't want to do entire videos. One, it would take a really long time if you did do that, but you could. I personally wouldn't. I would edit in clips and then export it into Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a really great tool, which I don't know if you can use the Final Cut Pro, if you can use their version of After Effects into Final Cut. But I know with Adobe you can. I think that's why a lot of people do use it, is because they can do After Effects here, motion graphics, and then add it into Premiere, and it automatically work. So that is something that a lot of people do enjoy and like using. Now, I have never used After Effects. I would like to start using After Effects, but this is something that's new to me, something I'm going to be learning. Like I said, I'm going to be detailing to you guys what I think, why I'm using it, and if it's something that you guys should use in your personal setup, or maybe it's just not for me, but it could be something that's good for you guys. Another great thing that also I like to point out here is, like I said, these are 7-day free trials. So if you guys would like to use them, if you guys would like to get them yourselves, you're more than welcome to on the Adobe website. It does give you an option for the Creative Cloud. Click on that. It gives you all the Adobe Suite apps. That's currently what I have. And these are the ones that I'm focusing on because these are the ones that I would be personally using. I'm not really interested in things that I'm not going to be personally using, I know, on a daily basis, or at least on a frequent enough basis to have them downloaded. So that's the reason why I have the apps that I do. The ones that I do have are for reasons because I use them frequently enough. So as you guys can see there, that's a big reason for me on why I typically like trying new things. Obviously, with Adobe Premiere, I've never used it before. This is my first time using it. I have used the other big ones like Wondershare, as you guys can see, with Filmora, I believe is their video editing. Please correct me down in the comments section if I did get it wrong. I use Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and now Adobe Premiere. I am going to compare those, DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere, same thing with Final Cut Pro, and get you guys' thoughts on what you guys think and what you use in your setup. Please make sure to let me know down below what your thoughts are. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Like I said, we are on the road to not only 100 but 1K subscribers now. I feel like that's going to be a really big jumping off point for us, as from that point on I will be getting monetized. So you guys will be seeing ads, but I won't overload you guys. I know in the very beginning of YouTube, when you used to click on videos like a DDG video, you used to get like 3 or 4 ads, mad money they were making. Obviously, YouTube stopped that. Obviously, nobody watches videos with a ton of ads anymore. That's the reason why you've seen the ads cut down tremendously to 2 to 3 a video. I would probably just have 2, one in the beginning, one in the middle. But that's a going forward point. This is the right now, so this is what I'm producing for you guys. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys, and let's reach our next goal. Thank you guys for watching my latest video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.